Hi everybody, welcome to my things to do. And today on my things to do, I'm going to be making my dog River some dog treats. It's only using 2 ingredients, whole wheat flour and, wait for it, baby food. You heard me, baby food. So join me in my kitchen while I make this.
If this is your first time visiting me, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And while you're at it, don't forget the bell notification so you always know when a new video comes out.
Green bell pepper and red bell pepper.
Rel, well,
I got rel in there. Yes, it's rel. You know, it's a combination of red and whatever. I don't know.
red and bell.
Red and bell. Got it. In my bowl, I've got 2 cups of whole wheat flour, and I'm about to mix 2 4-ounce jars of baby carrot food. I chose carrot because River's favorite treat in the whole wide world, her favorite num-nums, are carrots. She absolutely loves them. In fact, I just said the word carrot and she stood up to walk over toward me. Because she's like, that doesn't look like my normal num-num mom, but if you say so. River has a skin allergy, so we don't let her have too many regular dog treats. So instead, we found something that not only does she love to eat, but it also doesn't harm her, and that's carrots. So when I found this recipe for a dog treat, I thought, well, this will be perfect for her. It's whole wheat flour, which is good for her, and it uses pureed carrots from the baby food jar. Another thing that's not only good for her, but I know that she's going to love. So you mix the 2 ingredients together. I'm going to add just a touch of water just to loosen this up a little. Just add a little bit at a time. I don't want to make this too wet. All right. All right there. I've got this rolled out to a little bit of a log. I'm going to go ahead and not necessarily cut it in half, but cut it into a more manageable section. So I'm not going to roll out all of this at one time. And what I don't use right now, I will save in the plastic wrap. Perfect. Set that off to the side for later. Now I can roll this out. And you can roll this out to any thickness that you want. We'll just do paw prints. That's actually perfect for River's size. I've got my pan lined with parchment paper where I can transfer my pieces onto, and I've also preheated my oven to 350 degrees. Make sure you save those scraps so you can re-roll them. These cookies aren't going to rise very much, so you don't have to space them too far apart from each other. As you can see, I'm not spacing them too far. Let's get the rest of these on my pan and into the oven. Well, there we go. I've got it rolled out with some extra left. Plus, don't forget my more than half that I had left over that I'll put in the refrigerator to make for another day. I've got 30 cookies here. That's more than enough for my dog for, oh gosh. Let's see, she'll probably have 2 a day at the very least. So this will last her a couple of weeks actually. Into the oven this goes for 20 to 25 minutes. My oven is set at 350. I'll be back in just a minute. Alright, well, I got the cookies out of the oven. As you can see, they didn't stick at all, which is great. They're hot right now. I'm going to let them cool off a little bit, and then we will taste test them. By the way, am I the only one that tasted my dog's cookies when I was younger? Yeah, those things were awful, weren't they? These, they're safe for your kids to eat. As you've seen, wheat flour, baby food. The only 2 ingredients in here. Now, if they don't like wheat flour, well, you know, I can't help that. But if your children get into the dog cookies, it's perfectly fine. No worries at all. I'm going to let these cool, and then we're going to check and see how River actually likes them. All right, I transferred River's num-nums. That's what we call them, num-nums. Transferred them to her jar. She knows that this is her treat jar. Anytime she sees this, she knows what's inside belongs just to her. Y'all, I've got to tell you something really funny. So if you've watched my other videos, you know that when I've been cooking, I'll usually call Tiffany in at the end so that she can taste test whatever it is I've cooked. She just walked into the door and was like, something smells really great in here. What are you cooking? I said, dog treats. And she's like, oh, but this shouldn't smell so blank good. All right, so for the true test, let's get River in here. Do you want a carrot num-num? You want a carrot num-num? Here, tell me if you like that. Where are you going? Wait. Yep. I do believe it must be River approved because she is eating all of it. Is that good num-nums? Is that a good num-num? I don't have any more. That's good? You like that? All right. You ready? Are you ready to go do the outsides? Okay, I think that means yes. She's ready to go to outsides. Ah!
2-ingredient dog treats were my things to do today. Make it your thing to do too.